making artificial intelligence flows is about merging different AI tools that really brings the experience and difference. 70% of transformation happens on the human side, which means 10% are algorithms and 20% is technology. 70% is people and their mindset, skill sets, and a tool set. And tool set is only 30%. So what is the other 70%? Is a mindset which brings us to a conclusion that the way we approach AI usage, it's really the place when it makes a difference in the business transformation. And skill set, which is about understanding how AI works. It's like understanding what are the parts of the core engine without being a mechanician and being a person that will rebuild that engine. That's the tool set. So if we look at the AI transformation process, it starts with the mindset. The proper mindset is basically understanding how responsibly we can leverage artificial intelligence in business, and then mark the places and spot in the business when we shouldn't use artificial intelligence. Not only because it's forbidden by law, but also it will bring harm to people. The good experience is writing emails. Writing emails in most part is a skill set that we all require to conduct business operations. And when it comes to artificial intelligence, it can help a lot with this, which is skill set. Tool set would be using M365 Copilot or Google Gemini or other software like Spark and others that is a tool for leveraging that skill set. But at the same time, we need to understand that sending emails require a specific mindset when it comes to understanding AI. For instance, if we use gems in Google Gemini or system prompts that are always guarding the proper email writing process, like keeping the tone or sentiment of the email or engagement rate or a length of the email, which are critical for our business operations, that means we have a proper mindset. But if we use Gemini, Claude, and others randomly for some emails and for some not, we create inconsistency. That inconsistency can be harmful for a business, which put us in a position of understanding what does it mean mindset, skill set, tool set. Mindset is why we're using the AI for writing emails. It's not like for random operations. It has a purpose. Then we have a skill set on configuring AI models, using temperature, understanding temperature, using top P, understanding top P, using RAG generation, emails, and things like that. That's the understanding of how the engine works. And then we got a tool set, which is Google Gemini, Microsoft Outlook with 365 Copilot option, and others. If we shape the change around AI this way, we can always count on one thing, that the human is in the loop on the steering wheel, not on the rear seat, which means that 70% of the process is influenced by people, not by algorithms. So what if it's the other way? If it's the other way, we have different, what it's called pocketed tools here and there. Some people are using AI, some not, some using this tool and that tool, which creates a huge inefficiency, inconsistency, and can push people into gray areas, like using that software that hallucinate a lot or that prompt. It's like, if people don't understand that the prompt can bring hallucinations, they don't understand why we need to build catalogs of prompts, which is skill set, which creates the mindset of having a consistent, secure prompting across the whole organization. This is very critical from AI transformation perspective because it brings consistency. It's always focus AI on the purpose, and it clearly defines the gray or even black areas where we shouldn't be using artificial intelligence in business.